Hi, I'm Larry Zapp and this is another video blog. Let's discuss Horse of the Year 2008. Obviously there are two contenders. Curlin, Horse of the World, 2007 Horse of the Year. What did he do this year? Let's see, he won Dubai, won the Dubai World Cup, won in Kentucky, won the Stephen Foster, which is an important Grade 1. Went to New York with a couple of wins, including the Jockey Gold Cup. Lost on the turf, but did lose to an ex-Breeders' Cup champion, Red Rocks, and then tried the synthetic at Santa Anita in the Breeders' Cup World Championship race. No better than fourth. Made a huge move, made the lead. Raven Pass proved best. Henry the Navigator proved second best. Tiago third best. To me, running fourth in an important race like the Breeders' Cup Classic just doesn't cut it. Now, if it was any ordinary year without a real contender, we would give it to Curlin, but let's face it, last year when he got the championship and he got Horse of the Year, he did it on a soggy, wet Monmouth track, which a lot of horses did not handle. Nobody questioned whether that was the race that defined him. Because of the conditions, they just gave it to him, deservingly so. Now, who else is out there? Amazon filly Zenyatta, 8 for 8 in 2008. Went to Oaklawn, won the Apple Blossom. You know what's interesting about that is Curlin really loved Oaklawn in 2007. He won a couple races there. And so, you know, it didn't look like he needed to take the track with him wherever he went. So coming to Santa Anita and using that track, the pro ride surface, as an excuse just doesn't cut it for me. Zenyatta, she did everything the right way. Mike Smith handled her beautifully. Always seemingly gave her too much to do, but never, ever did it look like she wasn't going to get there. And in the World Championships, the Distaff race on Friday of Breeders' Cup weekend, she just dominated her. Cocoa Beach and Music Note, beat ex-champ Ginger Punch for the second time, and just basically stamped herself one of the greatest fillies that have ever lived, and basically, in my humble opinion, stamped herself Horse of the Year.